Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to view deleted browsing history in Google Chrome on Android. If we have accidentally cleared our history or want to recover past activity, this tutorial is for us. Now, on our mobile dashboard, all we need to do is open our Google Chrome browser app. Once we are in the app, we just need to tap on it. Then we should go to the search bar and enter www.google.com. Once we are on google.com, we need to tap the grid of dots in the corner. After tapping that, we will see our account. Now, all we need to do is tap our account. Once we do that, we will see a Data and Privacy option. We should go to the Data and Privacy section. From there, we need to tap My Activity to see our past activity. If we scroll down in My Activity, we will see all of our activity, including anything that was deleted from our browser. Even if something has been deleted, we can still find it here in My Activity. This works by checking Google My Activity, where our account data may still be saved even after we clear our Chrome history. This lets us view past browsing records that are linked to our Google account. That is a simple and easy way to check our deleted browsing history on Android using Google My Activity. Now we know exactly how to recover and view past Chrome history on Android.